Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, with the growth of cryptocurrency and the transactions, and with a lot of people who are uh, making money out of crypto buying and selling, of course, a lot of people have also lost money. What has also happened simultaneously is that a lot of these crypto exchanges that have cropped up. In fact, there are many startups who've actually gone to the extent of building either their own crypto exchanges or white labeling some products. So I wanted to talk to you today on the four key steps that you need to take to start up your own crypto exchange. If you are looking to do anything on that line, then you need these are the four elements that you need to be very concerned about, and you have to do them really correctly, so that you not just your exchange not just works well and helps investors make money, but also you stay under a certain regulation, or because there will be regulators around the world in whichever geography or whichever area you're operating in. All these regulators will be keeping a hawk eye on your exchange. So, so I wanted to take you through these four steps that you should keep in mind. So, before we jump in, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at. And also, please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my videos. So let's dive in. So first things first, as you know, I have an ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this book, I've covered mainly three aspects. The preparation of the preparation period and the steps that I took to that I undertook before I quit my six-figure globetrotting corporate job to become a successful entrepreneur. I've also stated the challenges that I've faced when I started on my own, and how I overcame those challenges. So those were the primary three elements that you will find in this particular book. What I've also done is I've added three worksheets along with this book. The worksheets are primarily a tool or an aid for you to gauge how prepared your mind is to becoming an entrepreneur. So it's kind of a test of your mind, and you could score yourself based on the answers that you give in those worksheets. And you would, at the end, you will find how much you scored, and based on your score, there's a gradation map, and you would find where you stand in terms of taking up the challenge of becoming an entrepreneur. The cool thing is, I have scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010 when I quit my job, and you will see how much I've scored. And you would also know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur, with two companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and with representations in the US market. The Indian company essentially works as the Global Solutions Development Center and Sales Center. So that's what is there in this particular ebook, and this book comes to you totally free. All you have to do is to go to the link which is flashing on the screen, which is on my website. I'll put this link on the description box below. Click on it, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Please do give me your honest feedback. Now, let's talk about crypto exchanges. So, crypto exchanges are really, the threshold of becoming a mass adoption products. And why do I say that? So what is happening is that Both private investors and institutional investors are understanding the growing power and unlimited potential of crypto projects. As a result, the average index of daily trading volumes has increased from 44.7 billion to 113 billion dollars within just 1 year. This particular year, 2022, 2020 and 2021. On May 20th, 2021, we saw the all-time highest trading volumes of $543.2 billion. That's a record high. Digital currencies attract more users, and the number of blockchain wallets has increased. It has reached to 74.7 million, which is an 18.57% growth within 6 months. So that's a significant jump, and that itself says that how much fintech and blockchain products are really showing up in the really been working, and how much money has been poured in by the venture caps. I did a video a few days ago on the amount of funding that is coming on to blockchain and fintech and blockchain. I'll put that on the end slide of this video. Please go and take a look at it. Therefore, the crypto holders and investors need secure, convenient, and straightforward platforms to keep their funds on. That's very, very obvious. Now, we'll try and look at those 4 steps that you need to take to start your own crypto exchange platform. Now, as a startup, a business owner, you can either decide to go for a white label product, or you could build your own platform. Now, in this particular video, we're not talking about white label products. We're only talking about if you decide to build your own crypto trading platform, then you need to take these steps, which are absolutely mandatory. The first step is legal issues. No matter what kind of business you're going to start, legal issues fall into the category of determined factors. Choose the preferred jurisdiction to run a company, so that the country in which you're running, whether they allow you to run an exchange, a digital exchange, do they allow you to do crypto transactions, dive into the norms and regulations. So you need to have a compliance expert in your team who will look after the compliance issues. Get a license to offer crypto trading services legally in that particular country and also other countries. So you would also know that a lot of these regulators are really talking about ways and means to regulate this particular industry. And the top people, the Fed and SEC, and the World Bank, everyone is talking. Even the local governing banks of countries, they're all talking about it. So it's very, very critical that legal issues are taken care of. Point number 2, functionality. Now, it's a tech product, so obviously functionality is the key. So come up with a decision which features your exchange with offers to traders and innovators, fiat to crypto exchange, margin trading, and there could be many more such products, innovative products that you could come up with, which need to be incorporated into the exchange. And that's how the functionality, the uniqueness, and the top products get projected in your platform, and that's why the investors will come and jump into your trading platform to trade. Third point, liquidity. A reliable crypto exchange lists highly liquid digital assets only in order to protect crypto holders from scam projects. So scams are very rampant in the crypto industry. So your platform needs to have those solutions in place, those processes in place, those regulations in place to be able to avoid this, scam projects and even scamsters coming in to protect the vulnerable crypto investors or holders in your exchange. Because at the end of the day, your exchange will be holding the money and the cryptos. Fourth point, customer support. Now, you can't do without customer support. And in this particular field, you really need great customer support. Crypto market is still somehow a new field for beginner players. This is why headaches are possible. Ensure your client has a multilingual, high-end customer support is available to them around the clock, because there would be investors coming in from multiple geographies who speak multiple languages. Hence, multilingual customer support is an absolute must. So, to summarize, the four aspects, the four steps that you need to keep in mind lie plainly on legal issues, on the technical issues, on the financial issues, and on the customer service and support issues. So those are the four steps that you need to ensure they are on top before you even launch your crypto exchange platform online. Because the moment you start marketing, there would be a lot of players who will be coming in. And one of the other aspects that you also need to ensure that is that the business model is very robust. Now, I'm not talking about business model here, largely because it's pretty much the same across all startups. So I didn't want to put that in this particular video. So I hope this was useful to you. I would put a link to the video that I did on the regulations. So FATF regulation, what FATF is talking about, because there is a massive chance of anti-money laundering through crypto exchanges. So I did a video on that, which also had aspects which other regulators are talking about, SEC and all of them. I'll put that in that link to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. It'll be useful if you are really looking to start your own crypto exchange platform. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it and connect with me. I usually accept most requests on LinkedIn. I regularly work with clients to look for solutions to their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If your company or your startup is looking to engaging me as a consultant, please drop a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put the contact page in the description box below. Then we can communicate and get into a conference call to see how well we can work together and how I can help you in your business, in your company. So that's it, guys. Finally, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell, comment on my videos, and share my videos. So until my next video, you stay safe, stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.